Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on one of the important topics, that is ADHD or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Normally the prevalence is 1 in 10 children. Out of 10 children, one child is going to be having this ADHD. If you take 100 children, in 100 children there is about 11 to 12% of prevalence. There is a strong genetic component for it. If your father or mother or any other blood relatives has this ADHD, you are more at the risk of getting ADHD. Normally 50% of these ADHD cases resolve when the child is grown up or he becomes adult, and 50% of the children requires treatment. One more important thing to remember is this is irrespective of the intelligence. ADHD people are more intelligent. They can be intelligent at music, they can be intelligent at a particular science. So it is independent. So there is no dependency. If the child is ADHD, it is not that he is less intelligent. If you want an intelligent child, it is not that he should not be ADHD. So intelligence is completely independent of ADHD problem. The most difficult thing for a doctor is convincing the parents. Parents do not accept that the child is ADHD or he has some disturbances, and they tend to ignore it. This is the most common problem we encounter. What happens, this is there is a golden period from 3 years to 13 years. If you don't take the treatment for ADHD between 3 years to 13 years, this is a golden period. The neuroplasticity is maximum at this age, and if you miss that window by not considering your child is ADHD, the results will be not so fruitful. So for ADHD, the parent should accept it and take the treatment within this golden period from 3 years to 13 years, so that the result will be more fruitful in treating the cases. One more challenge is there is a fine line between other disorders and ADHD. It is also very difficult for a doctor to diagnose him as ADHD because it overlaps with many other psychological disorders. Nowadays what we have observed is ADHD is more prevalent in adults as well. The incidence of ADHD is increasing in adults. The reason for this is multitasking, especially multitasking with the digital devices. They are using computer, they are using phone, they are using laptop, they are working on something, they are watching TV. When they use all these gadgets at once, this is mostly leading to ADHD in adults. ADHD was first described by scientists in 1904. It means it is present even before that, and it has a very strong genetics. And previously it was known as ADD, Attention Deficit Disorder, and in late 1980s the word hyperactivity is added, and this disorder is known as Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. And adding this word hyperactivity has changed the dimension. This is one of the major descriptions for that disease.